Do you want to control your Windows PC from your phone or help a friend remotely? Here is a simple way using Microsoft's free remote desktop app. Requirements: your PC needs Windows 10, 11 Pro or Enterprise. Home Edition won't work. Step 1. Enable Remote Desktop and Uncheck NLA. Go to Settings, System, Remote Desktop. Turn it on. Then uncheck Require Network Level Authentication. This helps your phone to connect. Now select users that can remotely access this PC. Click Add. Type your Windows username, then click Check Names. It should appear underlined. Click OK, then OK again. Without this, your phone will be rejected even if you type the right password. Now find your IP address. Open Command Prompt, type CMD in search. Type ipconfig and look for the IP version 4 address. Note it down, you will need it on your phone. Now verify that port 3389 is open and listening. To make sure remote desktop is ready, type netstat -an pipe findstr 3389. If you see listening, you are good to go. Now let's connect from a mobile phone. On your phone, open Google Play Store, search for Windows app by Microsoft. Install and open it. Tap the plus icon, then PC connection. Enter the IP address you noted. For the user account, leave it as ask when required. Don't enter anything yet. Tap Save. Now tap your PC's icon. It will ask for your username and password. Enter your Windows account credentials here. Then tap Connect. Now the person at the PC will see a pop-up asking to allow the connection. They must click Yes. Then you are in. Now you can see the PC screen, move the mouse, open files, fix problems, just like you are sitting there. If this video helped you, hit subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and comment who will you help first. Thanks for watching.